Hi, this is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid, and I'm gonna show you a really nice 2-bedroom apartment. It is located in Calle Lerida, which is near the metro stations Alvarado and Estrecho, and also not far away at all from Cuatro Caminos. You can definitely walk there, and let's take a look. Alright, so this is the main door of the apartment, and as we get in, here we have kitchen, this area, and living room right there. This side we have bedroom number 1, this is toilet, and bedroom number 2 is on the other side. And okay, first we'll take a look here at the kitchen. On this side we have sink and stove, we have washing machine down here. Okay, alright, microwave here, and on this side, which is just close to the living room, we have fridge and freezer. All right, okay, some more space. All right, so living room, here we have this table with 2 chairs. Okay, these 2 cool paintings, air conditioning up there. All right, these 2 couches here, and this really nice table. All right, all the windows in this apartment are like, you know, I don't know how to say that. Okay. All right, cool. Well, let's go to bedroom number 1. We'll take a look at the toilet first. Okay. Toilet, sink, and mirror. There's not much else here. Where's the light? Alright. This is bedroom number 1. Alright, take a look. Alright. We have air conditioning right there. Okay, that's a built-in closet. Let's take a look. All right, and here we have the double bed, 2 nightstands on each side, and we have a lonely chair right there. And that's all. Let's go to bedroom number 2. Alright, so it's pretty much the same as bedroom number 1, besides the bathroom right here, and I mean except for the bathroom. And yeah, we have double bed, 2 nightstands, same lonely chair, and built-in closet, the exact same, mirror, air conditioning, and bathroom. All right, we have shower right there, toilet, sink here, mirror, and bidet. And this is like a private, I mean, it's inside the bedroom number 2, but it's the only shower that the apartment has, so we better share this bathroom with the person staying at the other bedroom. So that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Alejandro from Spotahome, Madrid, and see you next time. Bye.